meter, and it's station. So here's what we did. We started out with these simple step touches or touch steps. We go touch, step, touch, step. I start with my left foot back, she starts with the right foot back. Left back. For her, it's right back. I'm leading, she's following. So everything's built on this. We added one kick to it. We added a rock step to it. Rock step, kick, rock step, kick. Then two more kicks. Rock step, kick, step, double kick. Rock step, kick, step, double kick. That's your basic. If you try that a million times, that's the number one practice you need to get. With the partner, it looks like this. Solo or together. Rock step, kick, step, double kick. Rock step, kick, step, double kick. So, if you can get that practice, that's the number one thing. We did that in basic a whole bunch, and then we did a skip up today. It goes like this. Rock step, kick step, bam! Rock step, back to basics. Remember, leaders, you gotta move up, you gotta get the hand, you gotta twist. Followers, you gotta do that basic until you feel yourself move up, you feel yourself twist. It's not a signal, it's just a feeling that takes you into it. So here's the basic. Hop, hop, hop. Here's the skip. Watch us move. Bam! Right back kick. And then we do little sequences like this. Two basics. Hop, hop. Back the hand. Now we do a skip up, rock step, kick step, whee! Go the back, kick step, whee! And that was it. Hey, up, hey, up.